Okay, lesson 14.2, trade discounts, the complement method. Your objective today is to calculate the net price using the complement method. The complement method is a way of calculating the net price on items that are subject to a trade discount by subtracting the discount rate from 100%. Okay? Now, this lesson starts out pretty easy, but it does get a little hairy once we get into the second example. So I really need you to pay attention and take good notes. All right? So go ahead and copy this, press pause to get it done, and press play to resume. Okay, moving along. Okay, a couple of quick formulas. The trade discount complement method. Net price equals list price times complement of the trade discount rate. And percent paid is net price equals list price times percent paid. Okay, get that copied and then resume play. Okay, here we go. Now, example 1. The list price of a cruise control module in the wholesaler's catalog is $845. The pair shops receive a 40% trade discount. What is the net price of the module? All right, so take 100% minus 40%, and you get 60%. Okay, that's the complement. Take 845 times 0.6, and you get $507. This part is very easy. All right, let's go ahead. Let's try problems 1 and 2. Okay, should only take you about 30 seconds. Press pause and then resume when you're ready. Okay, so number 1. The trade discount's 30%. 100 minus 30 is 70%. Okay, so 24 times 0.7 is $16.80. Okay, number 2, it's 100 minus 25, 75%. 34.50 times 0.75 is $25.88. Okay? All right. Now, here's where it gets a little tricky, so pay attention. Diamond Wholesalers Incorporated offers a trade discount rate that is 2/3 of the complement of the trade discount rate. If the list price is $89.97, find the net price and the trade discount. Okay, before we work this, you really need to identify your variables. Okay, so let us let X represent the complement of the trade discount. Okay? And remember, the complement is what you actually pay. Okay? That's the percent you actually pay. Now, the trade discount is 2/3 X. All right? It says the trade discount rate is 2/3 of the complement. All right? So, 2/3 X is the trade discount rate. Okay? Now, if my complement, if 100 minus my complement equals my trade discount, let's set that up. 100 minus X equals my trade discount rate. Okay? Now, I myself thoroughly enjoy fractions, but I know many of you do not. So the first thing we want to do is get rid of the fraction. In order to get rid of the fraction, we need to multiply everything by 3. Okay? When we do that, that's going to cancel there. You get 300 minus 3x equals 2x. Add 3x to both sides. 300 equals 5x. Divide both sides by 5. You get 60% equals x. And folks, that's one thing you want to pay attention to. We're dealing with percents, numbers in percent form here, okay? So if you have to do something, make sure not to put it in decimal form, leave it in percent form. All right, so if x is my complement, okay, this is the amount that I actually pay, correct? And then my trade discount rate is how much I get off the item. All right, so 60% is my complement. That means 40% is my trade discount rate. Okay? The question says, if the list price is $89.97, find the net price and the trade discount. Okay? Well, the formula for net price is the list price times the complement. Okay? So, we're looking for the net price, $89.97 times my complement, which is 0.6. That means my net price is $53.98. Okay? Next question wants us to find the trade discount. And the formula for trade discount is the list price is the list times my trade discount rate. Okay? So, take 89.97 times 0.4, you end up with $35.99 is how much you save with your trade discount. Okay? Now, you're going to want to refer back to this one when we look at the next one. So make sure and have that handy in your notes. Okay, here we go. All right. The Artist Supply House Incorporated offers a trade discount rate which is 5% less than half the complement of the trade discount rate. If the list price is $148.50, what is the trade discount? What is the net price? Okay? Press pause. Try to work this out. And press play when you're ready to see it work. All right, so let's take a look at this. We've got to identify our variables. Okay? It says the Artist Supply House offers a trade discount rate which is 5% less than half the complement of the trade discount rate. So we're going to let x equal my complement. Okay? And now we're going to let 1/2 x minus 5 equal the trade discount. Now, don't forget what I said earlier. We are so used to working with percents in decimal form that many people will try to put this 5 as 0.05. Don't do that, okay? Because when we work this out, we do 100, which is 100%, minus x equals 1/2 x minus 5. Okay? Again, we've got to get rid of the fraction. times everything by 2. 200 minus 2x equals x, because that cancels, minus 10. Add 2x to both sides. Add 10 to both sides. You get 210 equals 3x. Divide everything by 3. 70% equals x. Okay? Now, that is my complement. The best way to remember complement is what you actually pay for something. Okay? Your trade discount is 30%. You get 30% off the price. Now the question here is saying if the list price is $148.50, what is the trade discount and what is the net price? Okay? So, first question. List price is $148.50 times, wants to know what is the trade discount. Okay? Well, the trade discount is 30%. So 148.50 times 0.3, trade discount is 44.55. All right, that's the trade discount. And then the next question is, what is the net price? 148.50 times 0.7. The net price is $103.95. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's look at problem number 4 of your homework. That was 3 of your homework. Here's number 4. The General Catalog Outlet Company offers a trade discount rate that is 3 times its complement. If the net price is $12.40, what is the list price? What is the trade discount? Okay? Press pause, work it out, and play when you're ready. Okay, so first thing we've got to do is we've got to identify my variables. X is my complement, and 3x is my trade discount rate. Okay, so 100 minus x equals 3x. Add x to both sides. 100 equals 4x. Divide both by 4. 25% equals x. Okay, so my complement is 25%. My trade discount rate is 75%. All right? Now, okay, now in this problem we already know the net price, so we're kind of got to work a little bit backwards. The formula is net price equals list times complement. Okay, so we're going to say we're looking for my list price. We're going to let that be represented by an L. Okay, my net price is $12.40. $12.40 equals L times my complement of 0.25, 25%. Divide both sides by 0.25. 12.40 divided by 0.25 is 49.60 equals my list price. Okay, now we've got everything that we know. Now the last question is find the trade discount. So we're going to take my list price, $49.60, times my trade discount rate, which is 75%. Okay, and my trade discount is $37.20. That's how much I save. Okay, this is not that tough. The thing is, you've got to keep up with your formulas and identify your variables. If you do that and plug in, it's super simple. All right, here's your assignment. Lesson 14.2, page 520, 1 through 15 and 19. Get busy. Lord Lad Dog out.